Hi guys, today we will see question number 3 in quadratic equation for class 10. So x equal to 1 is a root of x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. So we need to first find the value of k over here by substituting x equal to 1. So 1 square plus k to 1 plus 3 equal to 0. So 1 plus 3 is 4, k plus 4 equal to 0. So k equal to minus 4. By substituting the value of k, we try to find the other root. So x square minus 4, which is for k. So minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. So 3 is, since we need to get minus 4, 3 into 1 is 3, which is this, but we need minus 4 when we add. So it's minus 3 plus minus 1 is minus 4. So x square minus x minus 3x, x 3x, so if you add it's minus 4x plus 3 equal to 0. X into x minus 1 for this two part, it's going to be x square minus x minus 3x plus x minus 1, because minus into minus is plus 3 equal to 0. So we are going to get x minus 1 equal to 0, x minus 3 equal to 0 is equal to 3 equal to 1. So the other root is 3. Next, 3 by 4 and minus 2 are the root of ax square plus bx minus 6 equal to 0. So a into 3 by 4 square plus b into 3 by 4 minus 6 equal to 0. So that's going to be 9 by 16a plus 3b by 4 minus 6 equal to 0. That's going to be 9a plus, so 4 into 4 is 16, so into 4 you have to do to make this also 16. So it's going to be 12b by 16 minus 6 equal to 0. So this is going to be 9a plus 12b equal to 96. It's going to the other side, so it's going to be plus. Next, substituting value of x as minus 2. So we'll get into minus 2 square plus b into minus 2 minus 6 equal to 0. So this is going to be minus into minus plus. So 4a minus 2b minus 6 equal to 0. So let's take, this is 1 and this is 2. So multiply 1 by 1 and second part by 6. So we'll get 9a plus 12b minus 96 equal to 0. Multiplying the second part by 6, 6 4s are 24a, 6 2s are minus 12b, 6 6 are 36 equal to 0. So you can strike these two. So it's going to be 36a minus 132 equal to 0. So a equal to, this will go this way, 132 by 36. It's going to be, sorry, this is 24 plus 9 is 33a. So dividing by 33, we will get 4. By substituting it in any one of those. So by substituting a value 4 in any one of the equation, we'll get the value of b. Let's say 9, we know 4 plus 12b is equal to 96. So that's going to be 36. 96 minus 36, it's going to be 60. So 12b equal to 60. So b equal to 60 by 12, 5. So value of a is 4, value of b is 5. So next question, 2x minus 3 equal to 0, 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So we can write this as 2x equal to 3, so x equal to 3 by 2. 3x equal to minus 1 goes the other side, so x equal to multiplication part of it comes as division to the other side by 3. Next we will see question number 6, 4x square plus 5x equal to 0. So taking x out, which is common over here, it's going to be 4x plus 5 equal to 0. So this is rewriting it, 4x square plus 5x. Then either x equal to 0 or other part is 4x plus 5 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 5 by 4. So x is 0 or x equal to minus 5 by 4. Next, if you see 3x square minus 243 equal to 0. So first we'll divide by 3. So we get x square minus 81 equal to 0. So the is of form a square minus b square, which is equal to a plus b, a minus b. So how can you write this? X square minus 9 square. It's like this form. X plus 9 is minus 9. So you can write it. So x equal to 9 or x equal to, this is minus 9 and this is x equal to 9. Next, question number 8. 2x square plus x minus 6. So usually what we have to do is, we have to take the coefficient, the c, and if any coefficient is there for a, so you have to multiply the 6 into 212 along with the integer. It's a negative integer. So minus 12. So how can we write minus 12? You can write it as 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. So when you multiply, you should get the answer, this one. But when you add, you should get the value of this one. It's positive x, it's 1. So that means this should be positive, this should be negative. So that's going to be 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6 equal to 0. So that's going to be 2x, x plus 2. So same thing we have to get over here, x plus 2. So what we have to do is minus 3 equal to 0. You can just check, cross verify once after writing. So 2x square, 2 2s are 4, 4x minus 3x minus into plus minus 6. So 2x minus 3 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to 3 by 2, this 3 go this side and it comes here, x equal to minus 2. Next question number 9, x square plus 6x plus 5. So here coefficient is c is 5 and there's no coefficient over x square part, so it's just 5, which we can write as 1 into 5. So the product we get when we do 1 into 5, but when we do addition of the same, we should get this value. So both it's positive, so both are positive integers. So this we can write as x square plus x plus 5x plus 5. So x you can cross verify once one time. X plus 5x is 6x. So x into x plus 1. So here also you write x plus 1, x plus 5, x square, x, 5x, 5. So you can just cross verify after writing this. So x plus 5 equal to 0, x plus 1 equal to 0, x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 1. Next question, if you see, again you have to multiply this with the coefficient of x square. So it's going to be minus 18, which we can write it as 6 3s are 18. Then 6 minus 3 is 3, but we have this negative integer. So this must be negative integer and this must be positive integer. So this way it tallies. 6 3s are 18. That's also met. Minus into plus, so minus. Then minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3. So this we can write it as 9x square minus 6x plus 3x minus 2. So your 3x, 3 2s are 6. So this is correct. 9x square, 6x. Again, same thing will come over here. So what we need to do is plus 1. So 3x minus 2. This can be written as 3x plus 1 equal to 0. 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So x equal to, this goes the other side, minus 1 by 3. X equal to, this goes the other side, it's become positive integer, 2 by 3. Next question number 11, it's 35 over here. We can write 35 as 7 5s are 35 and 7 plus 5 is 12. So which is the coefficient of b. So how you can write it as x square plus 7x plus 5x plus 35 equal to 0. So x into x plus 7, x square 7x plus 7 plus 5. So 5x, 5 7s are 35 equal to 0. So x plus 5 equal to 0, x plus 7 equal to 0. Value of x equal to minus 5 and minus 7. Next, x square minus 18x plus 77. So 77 we can write as 7 11s are. And the answer for coefficient of b is 18 minus 18. So we need to apply minus into minus plus for this part. So it's 77 and minus 7 minus 18 is minus 18. So x square minus 7x minus 11x plus 77 equal to 0. So x into x minus 7, x square 7x, x minus 7. So we get minus 11. So minus 11x, minus into minus plus 77. This is also correct. When doing parallelly, you check, are you doing the right approach by comparing with the previous step. So equal to x minus 11 equal to 0, x minus 7 equal to 0. So value of x equal to 11 and value of x equal to 7. Next question number 13, if you see 6 3s are 80. It's a positive integer in both the places. So 2 into 9 we can make it as 18. 9 plus 2 is 11. So 6x square plus 2x plus 9x plus 3 equal to 0. So we can write this as 3x, 2x, 3x plus 1. This is also 3x plus 1 equal to 0. So which we can write it plus 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1 3. So 2x plus 3 equal to 0. 3x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x equal to minus 3. X equal to minus 3 by 2. 3x equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 by 3. Next question number 14. 6x square minus x minus 12 equal to 0. So minus 12 into 6 is 72. So 72 we can write it as 9 8s are, and since this is plus x, we need the bigger number on the positive side. So we can write it as 6x square plus 9x minus 8x minus 12 equal to 0. So 3x, 2x plus 3, just verify it, 6x square, 9x, 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So here 4 minus 4, so 8x minus 12. So 3x minus 4 equal to 0. 2x plus 3 equal to 0. So we can write it as x equal to 4 by 3 and x equal to minus 3 by 2. Next, 3x square minus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So 3 into 1. And since it's taking the negative value, the bigger number or negative integer, minus 3 plus 1. So 3x square minus 3x plus x minus 1. After writing even this step, you can verify minus 3x plus x. So it's going to be minus 2x. Then we can write this as x into x minus 3x equal to x minus 1, x minus 1 plus 1. So just verify once. 3x square minus 3x plus x minus 1. So we can write this again equal to 0, equal to 0. 3x plus 1 equal to 0, comma x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 by 3, x equal to 1. Next question, 4x square minus 9x minus 100 equal to 0. So by multiplying the coefficients of x square with c minus 400. So minus 400 you can write as 25 into 16, and since this is negative integer, the bigger one takes the negative value. So this can be written as 4x square minus 25x plus 16x minus 100 equal to 0. So x minus 25 equal to 4x minus 25. So it's going to be 4x square minus 25x. This is also 4x minus 25. This is going to be plus 4. 4 4s are 16. 25 into 4 is 100 equal to 0. So x plus 4 equal to 0, comma 4x minus 25 equal to 0. X equal to minus 4, it comes to the other side, and 4x equal to 25, x equal to 25 by 4. We can write this as 5x 3x plus 4. 5 3s are 15x square plus 5 4s are 20x. 3x plus 4 minus 7. 7 3s are 21 minus minus into my plus, minus 28. So 5x minus 7 equal to 0. 3x plus 4 equal to 0. X equal to 7 by 5 or x equal to minus 4 by 3. Next question. So 3x square plus 11x minus 4 equal to 0. So 4 3s are 12, minus 12. Minus 12 you can write it as 12 into minus 1, y minus 1, because the positive integer is here. So the bigger value will take the positive. So now 3x square plus 12x minus x minus 4 equal to 0. So 3x, x plus 4, 12x square, 12x, sorry, 3x square, 12x minus x minus 4 equal to 0. So 3x minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 4 equal to 0, x equal to 1 by 3 or x equal to minus 4. Next, 48x square minus 13x minus 1 equal to 0. So by multiplying the coefficient, it's 48 minus 48 can be written as 16 into 3, and since it's taking the negative integer, the bigger value take the negative integer. So 48x square minus 16x plus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So you can write this as 16x, 3x minus 1, 3x minus 1. So it's going to be plus 1, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So 16x plus 1 equal to 0. 3x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1 by 16. X equal to 1 or x equal to 1 by 3. Hope this is useful. If you find this useful, please do share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you.